they say that if they could go back in time with the experience and the knowledge they have today, they wouldn't have done it. It was a mistake from their point of view. The reasons the mothers related to are the heavy burden of responsibility that accompanies motherhood, loss of time, loss of feeling of the previous self before becoming mothers, this certain kind of relationship that someone depends on them, that is unbearable to them. We regret everything. The list is so long. The only reason that we are mesmerized and surprised by the fact that there are women who regret motherhood is because motherhood was pushed beyond the human experience to a kind of a kingdom which is unhuman. And this is why, one of the reasons why so many women are collapsing. We are being told that there is only one way that any woman, because she is a woman, should follow, and that is motherhood. And our imagination is being occupied by this only allegedly one road, and we don't even want to talk about the possibilities that women might regret it. We don't want to talk about the possibilities that women may not be mothers and will not regret it. We just talk about this one road that is divided to two. Women who will not be mothers will surely regret. Mothers never regret. And in this book, I'm trying to sketch a more complex roadmaps of flesh and blood lives of women. We exist, all of us. I know that there might be feminists who will see my study as dangerous because but I'm not here, I'm not sitting here in a kind of a propaganda against motherhood and in against mothers, against children, or against childbirth. I'm sitting here in the name of calling for more and more women will be able to be the owners of our lives, our bodies, our thoughts, our emotions, our decisions, our fantasies, our dreams. So I will not, I can't, I must not sit here and tell other women what to do. I was attacked many times around the net by comments. I was interviewed a lot on television, on radio, on newspapers, and people are attacking me from any dimension, every aspect you can think about. People wrote me in person, just like, commit a suicide. What essence in life do you have if you don't want to be a mother? Just die. And we are being told that they will certainly be alone, only with their cats, feeding cats in the alley, sitting at night, at dark, in your living room, really miserable life. And I should say, it might happen. I don't want to deny it. But it will not happen for all the women who don't want to be mothers. And it creates a lot of fear within young women, because if this is the only image that you have in mind, I sometimes wake up in the morning and I say to myself, the world is crazy. What happened? I just don't want to be a mother.